In Chapter 12, Number 11, Family Reunion, we're given the following information. Every niece is a cousin. 1/2 of the aunts are cousins. 1/2 of the cousins are nieces. No aunt is a niece, and there are 50 aunts and 30 nieces. And what we're trying to figure out is how many cousins are neither nieces nor aunts. So to start this problem, I started off by drawing the universal set of a family reunion, because that's where we are. FR, family reunion. So then I looked and I saw that it says every niece is a cousin. So that makes me think that nieces is a subset of cousins. So I drew cousins, and then I drew the nieces inside the cousins, because every niece is a cousin. The next part has to do with aunts. So I looked at it, it says no aunt is a niece, and 1/2 of the aunts are cousins. So we know that the nieces and the aunts don't overlap, but the niece and cousin does overlap, or aunt and cousin, excuse me. So the aunts are over here. So now we're trying to figure out how many. So we know that we have 50 aunts. This is where I started, 50 aunts. We know that 1/2 of the aunts are cousins. So if 1/2 of the aunts overlap, 25, then 1/2 of the other aunts are not cousins, so 25 and 25. And we're told that there are 30 nieces. So 30 nieces. We also are told that 1/2 of the cousins are nieces. So if 30 is 1/2 of the cousins, 30 times 2 equals 60. So altogether there are 60 cousins. But in the cousins circle, there's already 30 and 25. So 30 plus 25 equals 55. So 60 cousins minus 55 already in there equals 5. So there are 5 cousins that are neither nieces nor aunts, and I would guess that there may be male. So the final answer to this problem is how many cousins are neither nieces nor aunts? 5 cousins.